Hi kids, Mr. Steven here again. I'm going to do some more math with you right now. The next math I'm going to do is I'm going to do some math that's adding 4 digits, single digits. Okay? So to do this, I've got my whiteboard, I've got markers, I have an eraser, and sometimes because the numbers get a little big, I've got a number line too. You might need a number line to do this with, to do these problems with you. Okay, so here we go. First one's going to go like this. This says 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8. Now when I'm doing this one, the first thing I would do is I look at this and I'm looking to see if anything adds up to 10. Now the reason I do that, because if I get 10 to start with, then it's easy to add anything to 10 from there. And right away as I look at this one, I go, wow, I can see 8 plus 2 is 10. So I'm going to do this first. I'm going to make a little line that goes off like this, and I'm going to show that I'm adding these two together. I'm going to put a 10 right there. There's the 10. Okay? I still have a 5 and a 3. Now, like I said, since I got 10, whatever I add to it, it's going to make it easy for me. So now I'm going to add 5 and 3. Okay? 5 and 3, pretty easy thing too. 5 and 3 is 8. So 10 plus 8 or 8 plus 10, easy for me because the 10, when you put this down here, comes down automatically at the 1, and then you just put the 8 after that. 18 is your answer. So when you're adding 4 digits, always look for something, if you can find it, that equals 10. Okay? That's an easy one. I got a hard one next, okay? This hard one is a little bit crazy. And for this one, we might need something else, like a number line. Now this one starts off, it goes 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8. Oh my goodness, big numbers, all of them. I'm looking at it, I can't see anything that equals 10 there. There's a couple of different strategies you could go by. You could go, I got doubles, 8 plus 8, I know doubles, you could do that. I think I'm going to go just with adding the first 2 and adding the second 2. So I'm going to go like this. I have 9 plus 8. Now, Mr. Steven has been around, and like I said, I'm an old guy here, and I've been adding numbers for a long time. I know 9 plus 8. Maybe you do too. 9 plus 8 is 17. Pretty easy. Okay, down here, I know 7 plus 8 too. 7 plus 8. Pretty much in my mind, 7 plus 8 is 15. But now comes the tough part. The tough part is adding 17 and 15 to get your answer. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to get out my number line that I've kind of started. I kind of got ready for this video right here. And what I did was I got a number line here that starts at 10 and goes all the way beyond 30 because my answer is going to be beyond 30. Pretty tough problem. This little red dot right there, which is going to signify where we are right here with 17. So it's right at 17. And I got to add 15 jumps here, 15 bumps on the number line to get to my answer. And so here I go. I'm going to start at 17. I'm going to count 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's where I stop right there. Now that answer right there, there's 30 and then there's 2 more, so that answer is 32. There's a 32. I don't know if you can see that very well. That's 32. So I'm going to take this. Wow, this is a hard one. 17 and 15 is 32. Okay, so your answer here, 32. Now you may know a different strategy to adding this and figuring this out. I'm just talking about the strategy using a number line when you got a big number like this. First of all, add these first 2, add the second 2, and then add the 17 and the 15 to get 32. Okay? Okay, go do your math now, okay? I'll see you later.